Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. Just making sure, did you sign up already for our free Notary Q&A happening next Friday, May 15th, 7 p.m. Eastern? That's right, it's being hosted by Notary Educators. Bring all of your questions. If you have a business and you still are not making money, you still don't know about additional services that you could be adding to your business, you need to be in the room. All of your questions will be answered. Next Friday night, sign up at notaryeducators.com. See you then. Again, Notary Educators free Q&A. Let's go. Hello. Welcome to Notary Educators with Coach Kimmi. How's it going, people? How is it going? We'll let YouTube notify everybody. Kay Denise is trying to get on with us. She's having some technical difficulties. I hope she can make it. And I want to welcome everybody to the show. Welcome. Hey, welcome. Let's see. Comments. Let's see. Can I see your comments here? All right. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. I am live today on StreamYard because we were supposed to have our special guest. I hope she can make it. That is going to be Kay Denise. Hey, everybody. Get your questions ready. Today, we're just doing some chit-chatting about the need to have your own business, have your own something. With everything going on in this world today, what happens if your job shuts down tomorrow? Could you use an extra $1,000 per month? Could you use an extra $1,500 per month? Do you have another skill set? Hey, Lori W., what's up? Hey, Lori, how are you? I'm trying to get all of this in this screen, and I can't get everything. I wanted y'all to see that. How is everyone doing? Hey, Lori, what is new? Yeah, so, still, the government is shut down at the time of this recording, and this is not that show, but everyone's affected. Right now, I actually use the ACA insurance. I'm waiting to see what's going to happen with that. So I'm talking to a lot of people. They are furloughed. And my apologies to someone last week. I can't remember who it was. I thought about it later. And they said they were actually furloughed. And I didn't gloss over it. I wanted to say I was sorry about that. And we were talking about so much, as we frequently do here. And later that evening, I said, you know what? I meant to tell that person I'm sorry what they're going through, which I am. And if that was you, please accept my apologies, okay? Because I'm not that insensitive where I don't realize that everyone's affected by what's going on. So I thought about it later. Sometimes, do you do your best thinking in the middle of the night? You just laying there and then something from the day hits you and it's like, oh, what about such and such? So I had one of those moments. Where it was kind of like, Hey, Joanne, how are you? Lori says she's doing well. I'm good. Yep, I'm good. I had a little stomach thing going on over the weekend. I went to lunch with some friends and did not agree. I don't know what the problem was. Hey, everybody, welcome. So if you have any questions, so today we're just kind of doing a little chit chat about the benefits of being your own notary owner business. And again, we're talking about notary because this is a notary channel, but I'm encouraging you to have any kind of side business. And somehow we like the word side hustle. So I'm going to go ahead and say side hustle, but I don't like to say side hustle. I really like you to consider it as your business. So are any of you affected? Hey, Regina, how are you? Have any of you been affected by the furloughs, the shutdowns, UPS, Amazon? Oh my God, it's just so many. Where do I stop? Where do I stop naming the companies that are doing layoffs right now? Have any of you been affected by the layoffs or the shutdowns? And if so, what's your plan B? It's saying she entered, but her devices are not connected. Kay Denise is trying to get on. I don't know what the problem is. Hey, Lisa. Hey, Miss Diamond. Oh, Miss Diamond says yes. Miss Diamond, I'm so sorry. As you were listening, I don't know when you joined, but there was a young lady on last week, and I did not get to say I was sorry for what she was going through. We talk about so many things when I'm live that I didn't have a chance. I thought about it later. Hold on. I'm boiling some ginger, guys. I have to turn it down really quick because I don't want it to burn. Hold on. I burned it yesterday. So hold on 1 second. Yep. 1 second. 1 second. Okay. I like to get some ginger in my stomach because I told you I had some stomach issues over the weekend. So anyway, I do my smoothies in the morning. So yes, Ms. Diamond, we are so sorry about what you are going through. I'm hoping you have a plan B that is, you're able to execute while you're waiting. I think we said hi to Regina. Joanne from Michigan. So yes, we are praying for everyone because these are some difficult times. There was a food drive here in Atlanta at one of the local churches. They gave away 2,000, I think it was 2,000 bags of food. So people are really suffering. I think sometimes if it's not happening to you, we don't think about it, but everybody's being affected. Okay. Lisa. Hey, Lisa. Hey, Sheila. How are you? Kate Denise is really trying to get on here. I don't know any other way to get her on here because she has to click the link. So Ms. Diamond says she's enrolled in school for her master's, taking a crash course in AI foundations, and I'm a certified notary, but have yet to use it. About to look for a part-time job. So Ms. Diamond, I'm going to recommend that you already have your stuff for your notary. You already have your stuff, right? Wait a minute, certified notary. Yes, you have your commission. I'm going to highly recommend that you go ahead and start. Let's get some basic training. What supplies do you have? What supplies? A lot of you have your supplies, but you're not executing because you don't know what to do. That was some of what Kate Denise was going to talk about today. And many of you in the chat can already attest to it. You get your commission from your state. They don't exactly teach you how to properly notarize. So you have your commission, you have your supplies, you have your printer, your toner, you have everything you need, but lacking the knowledge and confidence to go out here and start stamping these papers. And that's where we come in as notary educators, is to help you to build the confidence and give you the knowledge. I already know once you have the knowledge, the majority of people, once they go through Notarize Like a Pro, they are like, where can I start stamping? Where can I go? So Ms. Diamond says she has her book and her stamp. That's it. And that's all you need to get started. The only other thing I would recommend is you have your notary handbook, and you may be able to download that from your state website. But really, to get started, and you need some ink and a stamp, hopefully. Hopefully you got some ink and a stamp. But I'm going to recommend that you really start trying to grow your business. And even if you don't use it for this time, right? You may say, well, it's too late for me to do it now. I need some money tomorrow. Fine. But go and get your commission. Start working on it. Okay? She is still trying to log on. We'll let her keep trying. Yeah, go ahead, guys. Let's get these commissions in action. Turn these commissions into cash. Okay? We have to. If you notice now, your girl is going by Coach Kimmi in preparation for my new business venture. Again, I always say, and I've been saying this for the last month, even if it's not notary, get you a side hustle, a side gig. You are one paycheck away from your whole life imploding. Have something else that you can do. Thank you, Lori. I'm going by Coach Kimmi now in preparation for Creators Club with Kimmi, because that's going to be, I told you about my new adventure. So if you guys are looking to do stuff online, you're scared of the social media space, the same thing I did over here with Notary Educators, I'm doing over there. I got all the courses filmed. Should start rolling over there and rolling out the program, hopefully 1st of December, middle of this month. I'm almost ready to roll it out. Creators Club with Kimmi. Coach Kimmi is here. I'm going to help you learn how to make money in this digital space. A lot of us too, we don't want to learn digital stuff. We got to learn AI. I have an AI course. We got to learn how to write these ebooks. I got an ebook course, how to do your website, how to do Google, okay, how to do YouTube. And not only do I have these courses, it's going to work the same way Notary Educators is working. You're going to watch the course, get the information, and then every week we're going to meet. We're going to help you grow your YouTube channel. We're going to help you start your ebook, start a podcast, all of this digital money out here. Now, will you make all of your money from YouTube? No. Will you make all of your money from a podcast? I don't know. But I bet one thing is better to have one than not to. And these kids, guys, are making money. Teenagers, 5-year-old babies have channels on YouTube. Babies are writing books.